Okay, in this video, I'll explain about how teachers can use this lesson planning module of MyClassCampus for their day-to-day operations. So here, teachers has to go to teacher's diary option. Okay, so because this is admin account, so we can access all the teachers' data. Otherwise, then whatever the teacher is logging in, he or she will get the only data of themselves. Okay, so let's say for example, if we'll go to any particular date. So let's say these are 9 September timetable. These are time slots created in the timetable module itself. And now based on timetable, here in lesson planning teachers diary module, we are getting data. So already this data is entered, like you can see at 8 to 8:40 am time slots in maths. This particular faculty Selja Patil has entered this particular thing. So now let's click on this any new time slot to go through, like how one teacher can enter the data. So let's say for example, if we click on maths, so here first of all teacher has to select a lesson, which lesson is taught on that particular time slot and day. Let's say these are 9th September 8:40 to 9:20 am's time slot. So here you can see that this already topic 3 is completed, right? Other topics are still pending. So let's say for example, if I have taught this, then teacher has to select such kind of things. For example, if the teacher has completed these 3 particular topics, so here we are having two concepts. One is partial, one is completed. So in partial, if teacher has taught this particular topic but it's not yet completed, then teacher has to select partial check boxes. So again next day also teacher can select these check boxes. And if for example this first subtopic is completely done, right, then I'll have to select these as a completed. So from next day onward I cannot select this because these are completely done, the first subtopic I'm talking. So by entering such thing, then teacher can directly save changes. Also in classwork and homework module, teacher can enter like in classwork, whatever teacher wants to write, then they can. Let's say for example, I have explained PPT. Also if teacher has explained any PPT and wants to attach any reference documents, then also it can be done. So these documents will be stored permanently for this particular time slot. Also parent can access it from app just as a reference document. And from the same screen teacher can enter homework. So this is the same homework which teacher is able to do via homework module, so it will be reflected there as well. In homework also reference documents can be attached. So just by entering this all data, then teacher can mark it as a save. Currently I am not saving it. So after saving, then it will be reflected like this in timetable. They can view it like this. So here I'm showing you faculty wise data. Also we can see classroom wise teachers diary as well. So let's say for example in primary, if we are clicking let's say 8th A, then also teacher and admin both can view classroom wise as well. So let's say for example on the same date 9th September, yeah, so in this class in English lecture this thing has taught in science. So whatever the entry has been done by different teachers, we can view it by, and all the teachers can see it for their respective time slots and subjects only. So from here also, if admin wants to add any topic and so let's say for example, yeah, these in Gujarati, so these all subtopics are completed. So if I want to click on this, so the similar way you can enter it. Okay, so this is the way how teachers can enter data from the web. So you can also explore this particular thing via app. Our mobile app has very easy access of entering such kind of similar things. Okay, so now uh, let me show you different reports. So in faculty wise report, see, these are cumulative report for a particular day, let's say today. So if you go to 11 September, let's say, yeah. So see, these all different faculties have entered data. So green mark is like entered data. So, such kind of reports you can access. Overview classroom. So here classroom wise data. So if we go to 11 September, see, these are classroom wise data. So these are the overview to be viewed by the admin or coordinator. Also we are having few reports like subject wise report, classroom summary report. Let me show you subject wise report. So main benefit of using this module is like one teacher by themselves also can figure out which are the topics yet to be taught, or what are the topics I have completed. See, so it's clearly indicates that the geography lesson, so these all topics have been taught on these dates and it's completely done. Still these topics have started, let's say for example introduction I have done on 21st August, but it's completed, yeah, but this entire lesson is still partially completed because still from 4th to 9th subtopics are not completed. So such reports we can easily figure out. So subject wise reports for a particular class we can see. In classroom wise summary report, one can see and compare. So let me see for English, yeah. So here because only one class is there for standard 8, that's why. Otherwise if 3 4 classes are there, let me try another one. Let's say for example, okay, so in this demo institute, I am having only one class. Otherwise, then fourth A, fourth B, fourth C, such kind of three sections are there in particular standard. Then you can compare in which particular section or classroom, which topics have been taught or which are yet to be completed. So in a way, in a web version of lesson planning module, teachers can also enter different data which they are teaching daily in the classroom. Admin can view it, different reports can be accessed, and you can view overview faculty wise and overview classroom as well. Thank you.